Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sleep Inn Miami Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, airport shuttle, free, and a family rooms. Guest rooms at the Sleep Inn Miami Airport are furnished with a coffee maker. Additional amenities include ironing facilities and a radio. Miami Airport Sleep Inn provides laundry facilities and a 24-hour reception. Sleep Inn Miami International Airport offers free shuttle service to and from Miami International Airport. The free airport shuttle operates from 6 a.m. daily to 9:30 p.m. Last shuttle to the airport leaves our hotel at 9:30 p.m. daily. We are conveniently located just minutes away from the airport, shopping and several restaurants. Free continental breakfast is available for guests. The Port of Miami is 10 miles from the Miami Springs Sleep Inn. Central Miami is 8 miles from the hotel and South Beach is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.